Good morning friends, welcome to another video of Tech and Gadgets. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure that your Windows is running super slow and you want the same smoothness that you used to get when you got the fresh new laptop for your use. Now, how do you get that? Well, there are two basic ways in which you can actually restore your Windows to the original health. First is delete everything, like format your drive, delete everything, have a fresh install of Windows copy, and you're good to go. I mean, everything's fresh, everything's new. It's gonna be the brand new system in your hand again. But the caveat to that is you lose everything. So the other way, which is an excellent way, is to use Windows protection, which is actually the Windows restore point. Now Microsoft gives you a very good feature in Windows which is called Windows Restore, which is seldom used by any of the users in the home. So you can actually create Windows restore points at a point where your Windows was running like perfectly smooth, and you can go to that restore point whenever there's a problem. So guys, if you have not created a restore point yet and your Windows is already slow, I would say go back, reinstall your Windows, have everything installed, and then follow my tutorial step by step to create a restore point for your Windows so that you don't make the same mistake ever again. So how do you create a restore point? Let's jump into the laptop and see how I create a restore point for my Windows. So friends, we are in our Windows operating system right now. So this is Windows 10 operating system. Now this is a fresh installation of Windows 10. When I create a restore point for my Windows, I want to make sure that my Windows is fresh, running smooth, absolutely crisp. Because if my Windows is already dirty and is lagging a lot, there's no point creating a restore point, because you don't want to go back in time where your Windows was already choppy and loggy. So have your fresh Windows installation done. Also, I would suggest install all the related softwares that you need, say Microsoft Office, or if you work on, like I work on Oracle database a lot, so I already have my Oracle database installed. Whatever you actually use in your day-to-day life, please get that installed on your system already before creating a restore point. That way, once you are restoring back to a version of Windows which was running smooth, you would also have all your applications installed and ready to be used for you. So let's jump to the thing where you actually create a restore point. So in the search menu, just type restore. This will take you to control panel, in which there is the section to create a restore point in Windows. When you go over there, in the fresh installation of Windows, you'll generally see that the Windows protection or the restore system is actually turned off. Now to create a restore point over here, you need to have this protection running on. So if you go to system properties, into the system protection section, you click on the drive in which you have Windows installed. Now over here, I only have one drive in my system, which is Windows Drive C. Now you might have multiple drives over here. You want to create a restore point for the drive in which you have Windows installed, which is gonna be marked by this code over here which says system. So to create the restore point, first we need to turn on the protection services. For this, click on this drive, click on configure. You turn on the system protection over here. You can generally give a maximum quota as to how much system protection files should be stored on your Windows or on your local desktop. So what I generally do is I keep it to around 40 gigs, but that's me. You can actually select whatever you want. So what it does is it will keep on doing the replication of your data and your Windows system files in the backend at a particular location in your hard drive, where you can restore whenever you want to restore at an earlier version. It works as a time machine in Mac, the same way this is in Windows. When you touch this 40 gigs limit, it will delete the earliest version of restore and make the new version of restore. So like that's pretty simple. Now to create a restore point, you just click apply and click OK. Now you create a fresh restore point. Say right now my system is brand new, I want to create one restore point. At this point, I can just click on create and I can give a name of this restore point. I would say it's Windows fresh copy, so that when I need to restore my Windows to this particular date, I know that this is a fresh copy of Windows. I can just click on create. Depending on how much data you have right now, it might take a few minutes. And once this is created, you will get a message: the restore point was created successfully. You click on close and then you're done. When you want to restore your system, say I'm 1 year down now, 1 year from now, and my system is running super slow. I want to restore to the version which I created today. You just go to the system restore, you click on there, it will start a system restore wizard. You click on next over here, it will give you all the restore points that you have created. Now I know on 12th of May, I have created a fresh Windows copy. I can just click next and it's gonna restore the Windows to this particular restore point. I guess it's pretty simple. So if you have any questions, just do let me know, guys. Put it in the comment section below. I'll bring further videos related to this and all your queries would be answered. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring further videos about Windows and Mac on this channel in near future. Take care, guys. Have a good day ahead. See ya.